Bitcoin miner TeraWulf reports 146% increase in revenue as it ramps up operations. The company reiterated its 5.5A/s computing power target for the second quarter of the year. Join the most important conversation in crypto and Web3 taking place in Austin, Texas, April the 26th to the 28th. Secure your seat. Join the most important conversation in crypto and Web3 taking place in Austin, Texas, April the 26th to the 28th. Secure your seat. Bitcoin mining firm TeraWulf, WULF, reported 2022 fourth quarter revenue of $9.6 million, up from $3.9 million in Q3 as the firm ramped up deployment of machines, according to its earnings published on Thursday. Cost of operations in Q4 of $17.7 million was up 46% from $12.1 million in Q3, with higher depreciation and higher selling, general and administrative expenses noted by management. The miner had a rough 2022, with cash running low at the end of the third quarter. It restructured its debt in February, as have other miners including Stronghold Digital Mining, SDIG, and Bitfarms, BITF. Other miners weren't able to land restructuring deals and filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection. For full year 2022, Wolf's net loss attributable to common stockholders was $91.60 million. Read more. Inside Core Scientific's prearranged bankruptcy in March, TeraWulf started bringing machines online in its Nautilus facility in Pennsylvania, which is fully powered by nuclear energy. At the site, the miner has secured power agreement for 2 cents per kilowatt-hour, kWh, of electricity for 5 years, which will bring its energy costs down to 3.5 cents across its 2 facilities. The Nautilus miners follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.